Santa didn't think that I completed my training because I made a mistake while changing the oil on his sleigh. So I'm back at HK to further my training. See, I even looked the part. Thankfully, my friends at HK are so happy to have me back. Tickle, tickle, tickle! So first things first, I have to learn how to change oil again. Where do we put the Christmas spirit? That looks just like syrup.
No.
I think I'm trained well enough to collect some parts from the twirly whirly parts department. I remember it well. I think I even got the whole office part down too. Hi, I printed every email I could find for you. What's all that racket out here? I think it's coming from in here. Hey, Henry! You're not Santa. What are you doing with a suit?
Practicing for the Christmas party.
Imposter! Get back here, imposter! And I believe I've become the top sales elf. I think I'm ready to go back to the North Pole and show Santa that I'm ready to be the head elf. Thanks, HK. Hey!